Hello, my name is Matthias Reker. I'm the manager export from Krone in Germany. We are here at NAMPO show in South Africa. NAMPO show is very important for us. We are the #1 in round balers and square balers in the South African market for many years. We, Krone, are one of the biggest players in the production of hay, straw equipment. And we very much appreciate to be here on the NAMPO show, and we very much appreciate to be here with our partner Rovic Leers. Rovic Leers is, from our point of view, the most professional partner, especially in service. Additionally, we like this show because it's an excellent platform to show our products to the sub-Saharan countries. So it's more and more international minded show. So that's the reason we are here, and we are proud to be here. We are proud to be partner of Rovic Leers. Our products, we present on the show here the complete program in round, square balers, bale accumulator. So we very much looking forward to meet you here on the show. It's not only me, also a colleague of mine is here, so we are open to discuss with you farming issues, technical issues. Also the team of Rovic Leers would very much welcome you. It's a very professional team, we can see, technical point of view, commercial point of view. So you are very much welcome and looking forward to seeing and to meeting you here in NAMPO.